Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I made that delicious food you just saw. It was a simple dinner I made for my family and I. Stay tuned. First, I washed my tomatoes, pepper, onions. I chopped them into moderate sizes because I wanted to be seeing chunks of the tomatoes in the food. So I chopped them. My daughter came in with her usual toddler drama, complaining that I gave her bitter garden egg. Meanwhile, she was the one that asked for it. Then she came back later with my tablet saying that she wanted to watch cartoon, that it is charged enough. Okay, fine. I turned it on for her so that she would let me be while I continued the cooking. My boy doesn't have any problem. He was just calm at my back. Okay, now so I'm done chopping the tomatoes. I pounded the pepper, crayfish to add to the food to season it. My daughter doesn't like too much pepper, so I had to be mindful of that so I should not have any excuse not to eat. These are the extra seasoning I'm adding to the food. I've already deboned my fish, so I fried the tomato, pepper and onions, seasoned them and added my parboiled rice. This is how it looks after cooking for a while. Now I proceeded to wash my spinach thoroughly. I washed my spinach and I cut them into those strings. They are very important to remove them from the stalk of the vegetables. I did so and I chopped them into moderate sizes because I didn't want them to be too small or too large. So after I was done, I checked the egg that I was boiling. Then I blanched the vegetables with hot water. After that, I covered for just 1.5 minutes and I drained the hot water from the vegetable. Later on, I added some onions to the blanched vegetables because we love it that way and it's healthier that way instead of stir frying or over steaming it. Voila, our jollof rice is ready. Our dried fish jollof rice is ready and looking all good and delicious. So I stirred to incorporate all the ingredients together. After that, I served my husband his food. I fetched moderate portion for him because he doesn't want to eat too much. So I fetched for him and then I added the vegetables by the side. So see how it looks, so nice, so yummy. And then I added just one egg because we have eaten lots of eggs earlier on in the day. So I just added just one for him and then I took it to him. We were relaxing in the parlor earlier on before I started cooking, so he just decided to eat there on the couch. I served him his food and I proceeded to serving myself and my daughter. I put the food together just to encourage her to eat. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to click that like button, drop a nice comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and bye-bye.